Welcome dear students, today's topic is Supreme Court. The Supreme Court of India came into existence on the 28th of January, 1950 with Chief Justice and 7 other judges. The Supreme Court of India is the highest judicial body and also the defender of the Constitution of India. According to Article 124 of the Constitution of India, there shall be a Supreme Court of India consisting of a Chief Justice of India and other judges. Important functions of Supreme Court of India are as follows. Number 1. Its decisions are bindings on all courts. Number 2. Can transfer judges of high courts. Number 3. Can move cases from any court to itself. Number 4 is, can transfer cases from one high court to another. Composition of the Supreme Court. Currently, the number of judges in Supreme Court are 1 Chief Justice and 30 other judges. Earlier it was 1 Chief Justice and 25 other judges, but after the amendment of the Supreme Court Act 1956 in 2009, the number of judges in Supreme Court increased from 25 to 30 excluding Chief Justice. Qualification of judges of the Supreme Court. Number 1. The judges of Supreme Court of India should be the citizen of India. Number 2. He or she should be either be the judge of High Court for 5 years in succession or advocate the High Court for 10 years. Number 3. He or she should be distinguished jurist in opinion of the President. Appointment of judges. Judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the President. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President by consultation of other judges of Supreme Court. Oath. Chief Justice of India and judges of Supreme Court take oath before the President of India or some other person appointed by him. Term of office. A judge of Supreme Court holds his office till he attains the age of 65 years. If he wants, he can resign by writing to the President. Process of removal of judges of Supreme Court. Number 1. A judge can be removed by President on recommendation of Parliament on grounds of proved incapacity or misbehavior or misconduct. Number 2. A motion to remove the judges of Supreme Court can be introduced in any House of Parliament. It must be introduced by at least 100 members in Lok Sabha and 50 members in Rajya Sabha wherever it is introduced. This much for today. Stay safe and healthy. Take care.